lightning squash?
I'm sure I do.
Cush.
Yeah, it's Santa Claus.
Oh.
What's Santa Claus say? Yeah, he's got a hat.
Hoo, hoo, hoo.
We need to get you a Santa Claus hat, don't we?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Santa.
Bye-bye.
Did he pull his cover down?
I just love Christmas Eve.
Oh.
Yeah. I'll get him some more.
There's Santa. He's delivering gifts.
And I have some special presents here for Millie, Geo, and Bot. You can open them right now.
Presents for us?
Glittering gizmos, it's the sailboat toy. Santa's toy machine made this sailboat just for me.